Hi muñequita. So today I am getting ready for my birthday. So for my makeup, I really wanted to glam it up, and I did my eyebrows a completely different way. So I put the brow gel first and then filled it in with the pencil. And for my eyeshadow, I wanted something rich, sultry, so I did a black smoky liner look. I did this on a client a couple weeks ago, and I just fell in love and was immediately like, yes, I will be doing this for my birthday. I also added some shimmer, some sparkle to the lid, and when the sun would hit my eyeshadow, it just reflected so nicely. And I actually did not use any primer for this look. I just used the serum, which is Chef's Kiss. So expensive, but I actually got this one sent to me and it's 100% worth it. And this foundation, oh my gosh, you guys, you need to run and get the REM Beauty foundation. It is high coverage, stunning finish, will last you forever, does not look cakey at the end of the day. And I also did not use a bronzer stick. I just used my contour. I honestly forgot to use bronzer. So yeah, but I still loved the way my makeup looked. And then I added bronzer with powder. In a second you'll see that, but yeah, I just really loved my makeup. I took a video at the end of the day to see how my makeup did, and it was so good. It looked like freshly applied makeup. Of course, I had some creases under my eyes, which is completely normal. I had creases, you know, on my smile lines, which is completely normal. I'm not even upset or mad about it. And the other thing is that because I was sick this week, my nose was like flaking off from me blowing my nose and cleaning my nose and stuff like that. I also set my face twice, and I just love this makeup so much. I will definitely be doing this look more often. I just fell in love with it. But yeah, let me know if you liked my makeup on my birthday. So this is my makeup. This is how my makeup turned out. I did like a black smoked out wing, and then I added some shimmer, bright under eyes, blush, my lip combo. I really like it. I think it goes with my hair, and then my dress is black, so I think it all matches. It looks so good.
Makes more sense. I'm in the back looking for your suitcase.
Yeah.
All right.
So I already kind of knew what I was going to get at Ulta. I was looking for some REM Beauty items because I do want to make a video dedicated to them. And I was just browsing, honestly. I looked at some e.l.f., one of my favorite brands. I looked at Maybelline. They had some new launches. And here's a little sneak peek of my haul. Here I was asking my husband for his opinion on what skin tint looked more like my shade, but it was a fail. Had to come to Starbucks for that freebie drink. They had this last year.
What, last
You probably don't remember. It really tastes like chocolate covered strawberries. And they wrote little cute little messages on it.
On fire. Yeah, that's a stick on fire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Blow the candle.
So that was all for my birthday, I think. I'm just gonna chill and rest. The cake was good. It tasted like a brownie Oreo milkshake. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for the support. I will see you in my next video. Bye.